Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Sunshine Acres. I'm Jason. Today we're going to finally get back and actually put something in place in Sunset Cabin. So we'll get down there. We're kind of going to be a little bit all over the place. First step, I'm going to get all these stickers. This is what came out of the wood storage building, and I just want to get those stacked and out of the way, ready for future use to be cut down. But we've got niece Ella's in town this weekend, so Miss Carrie and niece Ella are going to be down in the cabin, put a final coat of paint on the ceiling panels. I think we'll hang ceiling trim, everything we've got prepped, and then hopefully get some more ceiling trim prepped and ready to go to get that finished up as well. So thank y'all for being here. Come along.
Look here, the boss showed up.
The boss of stacking stickers?
Yes.
That's my title today.
The boss of everything at Sunshine Acres. Like a lot of things, goes so much better with two people.
Teamwork.
All right, we got the ladders loaded up on the gator. Time to head down to Sunset Cabin.
Alright, so today I'm going to touch up the ceiling. We had a couple of spots where a little bit of mold was coming through on basically those lines of beads, and I think it's just because I did not get enough paint on there the first time, because 90% of it is fine and it wipes right off. So I'm going to go over the ceiling quick, clean with a little bleach water, and then get up there and get some more paint on there and give it a little more protection before we start putting that trim up, because then it will be much more difficult. So gonna get up high this morning. That's the plan. Hopefully it won't take too long.
We burn fires throughout the year, but now it's going to be October. Now it's prime fire pit time. Okay, so I was just down with Miss Kara in the cabin while she finishes up painting and measured up, and we're going to need 8 more 8-foot pieces. So I'm going to use these 4 guys here, cross cut them to 8 feet, rip them down in half to get our last 8 long pieces, and then I'm going to start cutting up some of scrap pieces more like out of this pile here, and I'll probably rip those first and then cross cut them down to 6 inches, and we'll do like a soldier course piece of trim around the top edge of the ceiling there. So we'll have to do some more soldier stuff after this, but this will get the bulk of it, and I want to get these cut, sanded, and stained today for install tomorrow. So there we go, 8 pieces of trim ready to be stained, and once that dries, then we can get it down to Sunset Cabin. All right, so just like that, 8 more pieces of trim ready to go to the cabin. Silly me was miscounted, and I really only needed 6, but the other 2 pieces we'll be able to use on the very top level, so it's not going to go to waste. But time to go to the cabin. All right, I think you can see me a little bit. It's a little dark down here. Miss Kara's finishing up making soap with Miss Ella up at the house now, but she's going to come down in a minute, and we're going to start hanging ceiling trim. We'll start with the bottom cord of our false beams here, 1, 2, 3, get to a stop point, and then come in here with the soffit pieces. These will be 2 side-by-side 5-inch pieces of 3/4. A little bit of concern on these, whether there's enough rigidity with just the blocking on each end. So I think we'll hang one, see how loose it is, and if need be, we'll just put another piece of 2x4 near the center of them to have an extra nailing spot. So I think this is going to go pretty quick, and super excited to get our first bit of final trim inside Sunset Cabin. Come on. All right, so not quite sure how well that's going to show up on camera, but you kind of get the idea here of boxing in these edges and the beams. So we got touch-up stain to do, so anywhere you see those light streaks, we'll just fill those in. Everywhere we have left we'll run vertical pieces, so it'll be like a soldier course of trim on the edges or on the ends in here up to that peak, as well as down the sides. We'll complete these little triangle sections with a piece of this trim that runs here and down the other side, as well as a ridge piece of trim as well. But all in all, very happy with it. Mama happy?
Yeah, looks good.
Mama happy, everybody happy.
I'm happy.
Cool, that's it for this video. High five.
Nice work.
Yeah, that's very exciting. Get our first final trim in Sunset Cabin, so we're happy with that.
Couple weekends between cutting, sanding, and staining and getting that up here.
Yeah, I think we just talked a minute ago. I think we've got one more weekend, and I think the ceiling trim can be complete.
Yeah, that'll make it look really nice. Starting to look finished.
Yep, cool. But thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your friends. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Bye-bye.